Hey guys, what's up? Sarah Jane. Thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel. So today is going to be another cat vlog. This vlog's basically, I found my brush for the boys. It's a pretty pricey brush. It gets under their undercoats and gets all of that out of their fur. They don't like to be brushed that much, so I haven't really tried to use it, and it just so happened it worked this time. So that plus Cuddles plus Love. So I hope you guys enjoy. So I got one of these fancy brushes where it gets their undercoat, and I started brushing Dax's fur, and he's just like freaking out about it. Come on, buddy.
Wait, no.
Was he chewing on your comic?
No, he was chewing on your strap for your charger.
What the hell, cat? I'm just trying to edit and you're chewing on everything. He doesn't even care.
We spray him and everything and he doesn't...
Did you see his eye? It went like this and his eye kind of went... Yeah, go for it. See, so it gets the shorter hairs from when they shed last, and that's why they shed all over the place, because we can't get that normally. What do you think, buddy?
He's just staring at it like, what is that thing? It's okay. It's okay. I see that chin.
Oh, see, and we got wipes for his chin now. He has little acne spots under his chin, so we're gonna try to clean them every night and see if that helps.
Ta-da!
Woo! I think he's starting to enjoy it now. Are you enjoying it, buddy? What a sweetheart. Do you hear that purr, guys? Guys, do you hear that purr? He's got the cutest purr. Let's see if he'll do it. Someone else's turn. There you go. See? It's not so bad, is it? Good boy. Oh, there's a lot of fur right off the bat there. There you go. There you go. Good boy. And he doesn't like it. Hey, it wasn't done. What do you think you're doing? Come back here. I wasn't done brushing you. His eyes are all twitched out too, like never again. Darn. I'm editing a video right now of my cats being cute, and the little one keeps playing with some of the toys we found the other day in the file cabinet that used to belong to Eve that she never used. And now I think he stopped because I took my camera out. They've been playing like this on and off for days. I think they're just trying to play and get some energy out. What do you boys think you're doing? Hey. Hey. What do you think you're doing? Now you know who the mischievous one is. And then this boyo needs to get out some energy most of the time. Don't ya? Oh God. And that's about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye.